In this tutorial, we're looking at the Upsell pop-up add-on, which, when people buy a product on your store, will display a pop-up that incentivizes people to buy another product on your store. You can customize this to your heart's content. So let's have a look at how to set it up. Okay, so the first step is you want to navigate to the theme settings. Jump into the Debutify Add-ons tab, and then locate the Upsell pop-up. Activate the pop-up, and then let's head out to the homepage. So you can't see the add-on just yet. We basically need to create an upsell. We've got one right here for Ethel Siege. So let's see how it works. Right now we've got a product offer for Ethel Siege, but we need to create a product trigger. The product trigger is the product that will lead people to Ethel Siege. Okay, so I've selected Chaos When. Now I'm going to find it inside the store. If I click Add to Cart, that's when I get the upsell pop-up. We're also giving a 20% discount if people claim this offer. So as you can see, all of this text lines up, and this is where you can customize it to suit your branding. You can even have a progress bar and change the width and size of that in the add-on customizations. Then we can see a different variation. You can add 2 upsells for 2 different products. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.